Jackson Comfort's been around for nearly 100 years now, and we always do our best to take care of our clients no matter what. We've got some of the most 5-star reviews in the area for any home service company, and you don't get that way by just being an average company. We always go above and beyond for all of our clients, no matter what. Jackson Comfort approaches each project with our customers' unique needs in mind. From the first visit with the Comfort Advisor, to the pre-installation survey, to going the extra mile on every install, we ensure that our customers have the highest quality and the best performance on every project for every system. At Jackson Comfort, we only use industry-leading products that have been tested and proven to maintain highest quality of standards. Our products are backed by the strongest warranties in the business, so you can rest easy knowing you'll be taken care of, always. A service or installation is only as good as the technician who provides it. To ensure consistent high quality, Jackson Comfort has their technicians receive weekly training on emerging products, local codes, updated safety standards, and troubleshooting skills so that you know your system is in great, capable hands. Customers should make sure that an adult is present at all times throughout the day. They should also make sure that a path is clear to the system and that any obstructions are put away and are cleared. They should also make sure that any pets that are in the home are put in a safe area from the working zone.